Can you believe that the 4th of July is right around the corner? For many of us, that means getting together with family and friends for a cookout. My guess is that you'll be grilling the all-American combo of hot dogs and hamburgers. But if you want to kick things up a bit, how about adding a new potato salad to your spread? It's got a Tex-Mex twist, and it's so easy. We start by boiling about 3 pounds of white potatoes until they're fork tender. Once they are, we drain them really well before cutting them into chunks. At this point, we combine some mayo with an envelope of taco seasoning and stir it until it's well mixed. This gets added to our chunked up potatoes, along with some shredded cheddar cheese, sliced scallions, a can of black sliced olives that we've drained really well. And are you ready for this? Lots of coarsely crushed ranch flavored tortilla chips. Once everything is mixed and the potato salad is chilled, it's ready to serve. It's one of those dishes that makes everyone want to go back for seconds. We're not sure if it's the zesty Tex-Mex dressing, the rich tasting cheddar, or the surprising crunch of the tortilla chips that keeps everyone coming back. But we're not complaining. To get the recipe for our taco potato salad, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a taco twisted way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.